Okay, a quick one today. We're going to look at subtraction and modular arithmetic. Now, let's assume we had something like this. We had the number 12, then minus, we have here 3 mod 5. Now, we are asked to subtract this. Let me tell us this quickly. There are two ways of solving this. We can use either the clock method or we simplify it directly. Now, 12 minus 3, what is that going to give us? Obviously, that's going to give us 9. So we'll have that here. It's going to be 9 mod 5. But quickly, you ask yourself the question. Is 9 within the set of residue for mode 5? What do I mean by set of residue? Set of residue for mode 5 will be from 0 to 4 if you look at what we did in the previous class. So if the set of residue for mode 5 is 0 to 4, we then ask ourselves the question, is 9 within that set of residue? Obviously the answer is no. So what we'll simply do is we just check 9 divided by 5. That is going to give us 1 remainder 4. So this 4 here becomes our answer. So our answer becomes 4 mode 5, and that is the answer to the first one. Very simple. Now look at, assuming we had something like this, 11 minus 24 mode 7. 11 minus 24 mode 7. So quickly we subtract this. Now 11 minus 24 is going to give us minus 13 mode 7. Now look at minus 13 mode 7. Is it within the set of residue? Obviously no. So the set of residue should be from 0 to 6. Now, minus 13 is outrightly out of it. So what do we simply do when we have a negative? This is what we'll do. We check, if 7 subtract 13, am I going to have a positive answer? No. I'll multiply this 7 now by 2, getting 14. Now, 14 minus 13, that's going to give me 1. 1 mode 7. Very simple. And that's the answer to that. Now, if I don't want to use this method, I want to use a clock method. Let's assume I want to use a clock method for question number 1. I'll have to draw a clock, and the set of residue 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I cannot get 12 in this. So what do? I'll just simply pick out this 12 and divide it by the mode. So that is going to give me 2 remainder 2. So I'll work with the 2, which is a remainder. So this 2, which is my remainder, is what I'm going to work with. Now, first thing first, I'll locate where that 2 is. Therefore means that this 12 now can be represented as 2. I'll locate where the 2 is. Then negative means I'm going to take it in anti-clockwise direction. Note, your clock moves this way, right? That's the clockwise direction. So the anti-clockwise direction goes this way. So from 2, it means I'll count 3 moving in anti-clockwise direction. So that is going to give me 1, 2, 3. And you can see, obviously, that it's ended at where? At 4. So which is this? Now looking at the second one here, 11 minus 24 mode 7. So what do I do first of all? I write this in my clock pattern, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now look at this, 11 minus 24. 11 cannot be located here. 24 also cannot be located here. So what do? I'll first of all take out the 11 and divide it by 7. So 11 divided by 7, I have 1 remainder 4. So this 11 can be substituted as the number 4. And then what is 24? Now check again, 24 divided by 7. When you do this, you have 3 remainder 3. So it means that this other one is minus 3. So 4 minus 3. So therefore, I start from here and I'm going to take 3, moving in an anti-clockwise direction. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 1. And that is my answer. So any method you decide to use, you definitely will get your answer. However, I need you to try this. 2 minus 17 mode 5. So it's a matter of choice. You use any method you want to use. The most important thing is arriving at the answer. See you in the next class. Bye for now, and do have a lovely day. Thank you.